and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about getting moving again, right? This is essential for your health. Not only must you eat correctly, but you must move. And we're all frightened to move, okay? And I just want to illustrate to you, just quickly, that you don't need to be frightened, okay? You just need to get moving. And so I'm going to just demonstrate that what I'm going to show you now, I haven't always been able to do all my life. Right now I am 57, and at the age of 52 I suddenly realized my health was going downhill fast. It was deteriorating and I needed to do something about it quickly. So what I did personally was my personal training qualification, and when I had completed that I realized that I had actually personally trained myself. But then that wasn't where I stopped. Then I kept working at it, as we hear, just chipping away at it every day. And without us realizing it, without me realizing it, suddenly I was strong enough to do the things I'm going to show you now. So bear with me. Okay, push-ups. I could never do that. Now just be patient with me while I get into this position, because it's not easy. It takes a lot of ingenuity to get into this position. Right, I did it. Here we go. Right, so what did I do? I got moving. And as a result of that, I suddenly discovered this formula that makes me really, really strong without having to go out there and be beaten with the whip and do all that cardio work. Because as you can hear, I'm now out of breath and I wasn't running. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to get across to you. With my Let's Get Moving Again online program and face-to-face program, I strengthen you from the ground up. We work on all the strength that I believe in, that I've learned as a dancer and carried through to my training facility. Okay, and this you can access through me. All we have to do is book in a call. You and I, we have a chat, we work out what is right for you. I give you the information and you are able to do it in the comfort of your own home. This is the secret, okay? It's an online program with 8 modules, 1 per week. And what you do is you just give me your email address after our conversation, and you go into the system, and there you have access to it right in your home, okay? The results have been, the testimonials from this online program are phenomenal, all right? And I just want you to know you can do it with any amount of injury. If you've got injury, that's fine. You have injury because there was a weakness wherever it was that you're injured, okay? And we need to strengthen that. So I've used this program. Lots of people have used this program. Just listen to the testimonials. Please, I just desperately want to get this word out to all women, because women are terrified of exercise because of what they see in the media. And I'm not going to make you do what you see in the media. We're going to do it really gently, low impact, but you can see as a result, I've strengthened. And it's really exciting at the age of 57 to be able to do that, and other stuff to follow that I will show you in future videos. So please, if you're wanting to get moving again, and I'm sure you do, you desperately want to have your youthful body back again, that confidence that comes with moving correctly, and beautiful posture. If you're wanting to do that, book a call in with me. We'll have a chat. I'll explain to you how the program works. There is a cost involved, which we will discuss. There are payment options, which we will discuss. But I want to make it available to you. So please, I look forward to hearing you. Book that call. Let's get you moving.